You notice that your fuel needle is dropping faster than a lead weight and that annoying little orange engine light is glowing on your dash. And when you plug in your scanner, you see the code P2009 staring back at you. This code means your engine's brain, the powertrain control module or PCM, has spotted a major disagreement in the positive current control circuit of your upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1. Bank 1 is just the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 lives, and sensor 1 is the critical guy sitting before your catalytic converter. Think of this oxygen sensor as a tiny, high-tech laboratory living in your exhaust pipe. It is built with a zirconium dioxide element and platinum electrodes, and its job is to compare the air inside your exhaust to the clean air outside. When things get hot, and I mean really hot, like 250 degrees Fahrenheit or more, the oxygen ions start bouncing back and forth between those platinum layers like a frantic game of ping pong. This movement creates a tiny amount of voltage that tells your car if the engine is running too lean or too rich. The positive current control circuit is a very delicate, low-voltage path that the computer uses to fine-tune this whole process. When you get a circuit high reading, it means the voltage is spiking way beyond what is safe or expected, usually because a wire has rubbed through its insulation and is touching a 12-volt power source, or the sensor itself has suffered a catastrophic internal short. You are going to feel this in your wallet because your engine performance will tank and your car might start bucking like a mule. Before you go out and buy a new sensor, which can be pretty expensive for these wideband types, you need to grab your flashlight and crawl under there. These sensors live in a brutal environment, so look for wires that are burnt to a crisp against the exhaust manifold or chafed by a sharp metal bracket. Grab your digital voltometer or DVOM and check the resistance between the control circuit and ground. If you see continuity where it should not be, the sensor is toast. Intermittent issues are the absolute worst, so if the code comes and goes, write down that freeze frame data so you can see exactly what was happening when the glitch hit. Replacing the HO2S is usually the fix, but verifying the wiring first is the mark of a true pro who does not like wasting money on parts that are not actually broken.